Hi guys, I have another swap coming up that involves a paper bag, and we're going to do accordion folder paper bag. So I'll show you how it's done. So you get a paper bag, it can be any size. This is like a standard lunch bag. I like the ones that are a little bit smaller, but this is what I had on hand, so this is what I'm going to use, and I'll show you what to do. So you take this part of the bag, you just cut this part right off. Okay, so we'll do that now. Okay, so then you're left with it like this. And what I do is I usually like to fold it and just cut off a little bit more that you have here on the edge. Just cut like these little bits sticking up. Just kind of cut them a little bit. And you'll know if you have to cut more when you start making the bag. You'll see how it does. Okay, so we're left with this. It's cut. All right. Now, this is going to be folded down. So, we have to put a brad right here, but not through here because you don't want it to see. So I'll do that now. You got to get it in the middle. Okay, so I'll put my brad in. Put this a little bit bigger. See, something else your pokey tool is good for. Making a hole for a brad. Okay, so you have your brad in place. We're going to glue all that. Now, before I do that, I'll just do this part quick. You're going to bring this up to the fold, and you're going to fold it. Okay? But then, you're going to take this part and just glue right in the middle. And you're going to fold it down. Okay? So that when you open it, you're left with this pocket. Alright, I messed up. I knew something didn't look right. I apologize. We're supposed to glue it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're supposed to fold it up to this half right here. I knew something was off. I'm like, wait a minute. Something is off. So we'll redo that. Okay. Glue it all. There you go. That's correct. So that when you open it, you have all these folds, little pockets, okay? And it goes like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to glue all in here, okay, and then close it. And then that's it. That's your little bag, and then you can decorate it however you want. But I'm going to show you what I did. I finished one for my swap. So instead of doing brad, I just put one of these on the outside. I put a button underneath, and I just put this cute little thing with some beads. And this is the closure I made for it. And I put some lace at the bottom. I distressed all the edges, and I decorated it. I put these flowers, but I didn't put anything in the middle because it needs a closure, and I didn't want it to get in the way of anything. So I just put my little things on the sides, my little flowers. I have Winka Stella glitter on them, so they're shimmery. All right, and then I put that in the middle so that when you open it, I have it this way, so just open it. I put a lot of string. You don't have to put that much string if you don't want to, okay? And what I did was I cut the ends right here just because I felt like it. All right. And then there's my little thing. So that's how I did mine for my swap. So I just wanted to show you that. And then when you close it, obviously I had to cut a little piece here to make room for my lace. Had to put lace, and I just go around like this a few times. And then here's my little beads, and I just kind of tuck them in like this so it stays closed. Okay? And that's how I did mine. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.